Hi, I'm Sale Park. I'm the marketing manager at SylvanSport. Today I wanted to show you our Over Easy camp kitchen. With all of the design and features that are built into it, the Over Easy is capable of really turning any campsite into the ultimate kitchen. The case on the Over Easy is a heavy-duty nylon that's water resistant, easy to clean, and will help protect the Over Easy. To open it, the handles are held together by a hook and loop strap that you simply undo there, and there are two zippers that run the length of the top and the side of the camp kitchen. As you lower, you can set aside the shelves and the water basin for now, and then you let the top and the bottom of the case open up, which will reveal the bottom. You grab the base of the camp kitchen, which are these extruded aluminum bars, and just open up the base of the camp kitchen. The legs lock into place simply by pulling them in the direction of their hinge. That comes right into place. Once all four legs are locked into place, you can lift the entire camp kitchen forward, and you have a nice solid base unit here. There's a side table that folds out, and on the underneath there's a leg that also extends, which you can lock into place by pushing the supports upwards and let that rest on the ground. Within the legs there's a second piece that folds out and again locks into place by pushing straight up, and this is going to become your trash bag holder. The top of the case lifts forward, and there's actually two bars that lock into the side of your counters to form the back end of the camp kitchen. There is a piece on this side, a bar that extends out, which you can insert the water basin. So when you're done eating and cooking, you have a really super easy and convenient place to be able to wash your dishes, pots, and pans. And there are three hooks that attach to the outside edge to hang utensils, spatulas, mixing bowl, mixing utensils, what have you. When you open up the two doors, these can roll up and be held in place with hook and loop straps to keep them out of the way. And these create your shelf platforms, so you have a nice sturdy surface, whether you're storing pots and pans in here, plates and utensils, or cooking oil, spices, plates, whatever. So you have the Over Easy camp kitchen. Some of the really cool features on this are going to be, you have bamboo work surfaces that are bamboo all the way through. This isn't just a laminate. This is actually solid bamboo countertops, both for your stove and for your prep surface area. It's super easy to clean, durable, and heat resistant. On the back panel of the lid, you also have a windscreen. There are some built-in slots on this bamboo countertop, which you can insert the windscreen. So if you choose to, for your stove, you can provide a little bit of extra wind protection there. There are lots of extra storage mesh nets that you can help organize and keep your surface clean and tidy. On the side, you also get another pocket for organization. And another really handy feature is in the shelving unit. You can actually move a shelf to the lower level, and both shelves have this. There is a zipper that allows you to make one tall openings. So if you have things that won't quite fit into this size height, it does open up and allow you to have one really big opening. This is the Over Easy Camp Kitchen. So let's get cooking. When it's time to go and you're ready to pack up your Over Easy, really we're going to go in the reverse process that we did to set it up. So we're going to take our hooks at the end of our water basin and we're going to place them in the basin. We can take the basin out, set it to the side for a moment, and take that holding bar and slide it right into the counter spot here. We can also do the same thing with our shelving unit. So we're going to remove the shelves, and again set these to the side for the time being. The hook and loop closures for the door, we can undo those and zip our door shut. The windscreen, just going to hold these by the two sides, lift straight out and pull towards you, fold it and open the flap on the back panel, velcro that shut so it holds it nice and snug. The two support arms on the top part here, we're going to remove that to the side and push it all the way up. Same thing on this side, we're going to release it off the counter, push it upwards, and then just let this top fold backwards for now. The trash bag holder, we're going to release the lock by pushing down on the hinge on the support arms and then push that bar so it sits right inside the leg. From there we can lift the countertop, and again here we're going to push down on the support hinges to release it, and then the legs will fold right into the underside of the countertop, and this will fold all the way over so it's sitting right on top of the other. Now if we lift the back cover and lower the Over Easy onto its back, we can release the locks on the legs just simply by pushing in the direction of the hinges to make it release. So we'll push in the direction that the hinges, and once all four locks are released on the legs, we're going to flip it all the way upside down and then just let the whole thing, we'll fold the fabric in a little bit, we'll let the whole thing just lower down and become a nice compact unit. From here, on the bottom side of the Over Easy, the shelves fit perfectly right into the base here, as does the basin and the hooks. These will go right in here. We can close the cover, get it over the corners of the frame, and we'll put the Over Easy back upright. Attach the zipper on this side, pull straight up, bring it to the middle, come to this side, same thing. Zipper all the way up. Hook and loop closure to hold the handles together. And ready to go. That's the Over Easy Camp Kitchen. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you next time.